We are going to be checking out the Cedar Creek 380 Mud. And the Mud gives away a pretty big hint here on what is in here, something that's I've never seen in an RV before. So as you walk up these steps, you are greeted with a mud room. First time ever in an RV, so no issues with where you're going to put your shoes. You got a huge shoe storage space right there. You can hang up jackets, coats. I know Amanda's already said she can put some cute home decor there. You're gonna have some storage up above here, shelf here, 2 more hooks here. Plenty of place to hang all your stuff when you have kids that are constantly outside getting muddy and dirty and then tracking that all in. It does not have to go into your home. Here is your panel, touch panel here to control pretty much everything. Then from there, you're going to come up one additional step and you are now into your living space. Over here, I do love having this option of a basically a bench slash ottoman style and 2 chairs. I like having that. Plus, this is going to give you some added storage here as well. And as you know, you can always use more storage. I like the light fixtures here. First thing I noticed when I came in is it's very light and bright in here. This wallpaper, textured walls is basically a white color, so that's good. Let's go ahead and turn on all the lights here. Okay, this table here, I like this color. I do like having a nice little USB charger right there because our oldest does school usually at the kitchen table, but as you'll see later, there is another option for that. So this actually slides out and extends a little further, and then you do have this drawer here, so you do get that extra space there. Moving on down here, you do have your theater seating. Large windows here, so you got 4 windows here. These valances, they don't cover too much more of the window. I do like that these, you could maybe actually, you know, put some decor up here on top of these. So they're not as ugly of valances that I usually do see. But, you know, my thing with valances is that they just take up too much of the window. These ones take up a couple inches. So these, you do have your regular shades, and then you have your blackout shade there. We don't have these on our current RV, so sometimes you might just want to have, you know, a little bit of shade here but still be able to see out. All right, so then when you're sitting on your nice theater seating across from your nice big TV, fireplace, mantle, I mean, that looks nice. I do like that. Ceiling fan up here. Sometimes you don't want to be running your AC, but having that ceiling fan, that is nice. Very nice. Coming over here, large refrigerator. This is the Furrion. It is locked, so I'm not going to open it. So you do have your large Furrion fridge there. 3-burner stove, but that is very large. You actually could probably use 2 burners at once. On our current stove, we can't. Regular microwave. This does not look to be convection. I do actually prefer a convection microwave oven because we don't ever personally use our own oven, so we only use the convection. Sink, island. I like these because they easily roll over out of your way, but that's a large, deep sink. We have the split sink. I actually think I would prefer one large sink. Good solid countertops. These are already lined. I like the white. Plenty of space over here on both sides here and here to put a coffee maker if need be. Storage here, storage up here. Do have a pantry cabinet over here. So plenty of pantry cabinet space there, but there is a hidden storage here. So let's check that out. Look at that. Now that is some storage. Heck, you can even use this as your pantry right here if you quickly needed to get in, get to something there. Plenty of storage over here as well. Can throw the Xbox right there. All right, so that's it for the living, kitchen, dining space. Now we're going to go to the back of the RV to go to the main bedroom. So again, we're going to go up 2 more stairs here. And we are now in here with the king bed. We do have shelving above each side of the bed. Lights up there, USB plug-in on each side. You have another AC here. You do have a TV. You have a different style valance here. I would remove this definitely. In here, plenty of storage space. I mean, look at all this storage space. That's plenty of storage space in there. I mean, the storage is so big I had to zoom out on the camera, so I'm sorry for that kind of fisheye angle, but there is so much storage I had to do this. You have 6 more cabinets here, and there's plenty of space to walk in here. Not really any space to work up here in the master, so if you are somebody that likes to work out of the main bedroom or whatnot, there's really nowhere to put a desk in here, but we could get creative because there are other places that you could work from. So bathroom, it is pretty wide. It is wide enough to have 2 sinks. Hello there, don't mind me in the camera. But it is big enough for you to have 2 sinks. So now, if you have a messy husband or a messy wife, whichever way, you have your own sink. And there's plenty of room to actually wash your hands under there too. Toilet's actually in a good location, gives you plenty of room there. You do have a large cabinet closet here, put all your linens. And then this big thing over here is your washer dryer hookup. So you can have a stackable washer and dryer in here, plenty of space. You can just put a combo unit in here, and it's going to come to about here. And then you have plenty of room to hang clothes up here, do whatever else you need to do. Shower, large shower. So this is the only shower in this RV. Plenty of space though. Now, let's go check out the other cool surprise that this has. This one has a lot of surprises. Definitely that mudroom. But up here in the front cap, where is normally the main bedroom, you are going to find another, whatever you want it to be. This can be a living space or this could be a bedroom. For us, this would be our girl's bedroom. But for you, this could be an office because you do have a folding desk here. This desk does fold down. It's a little difficult for me to do while I am recording. So that desk does fold down. You have a couch here, so you can sit here. There, you can put a TV right up there. You can just sit, relax, watch some TV, work at your desk. There is storage in here if this does need to be a bedroom. But how can this be a bedroom, do you say? Well, let's show you. Because this is a Murphy bed. This is a bedroom because this is a Murphy bed. Check that out. So this now folds down to your bed. Sleep here. You wake up. You put this thing back up. And I'll show you how easy it is. I'm going to do it with one hand while I'm still holding the camera. You're just going to lift and close. And now you are right back to this being a multi-purpose space with the desk. Oh, did I mention that there is also a loft up here? Another place for the kids. So you can easily sleep one kid up here, or this just be a play area. You can sleep 2 kids on this loft right here. They can do their homeschooling right here at their desk. Then they have to go to the bathroom in the middle of the night. Luckily, they don't have to walk through your bathroom because they have their own half bath over here. Plenty of space for kids. No other shower except for the one. But I tell you, amazing. Amazing. And then we're just going to walk back downstairs. And you're right back into that feel of having your living space here, adults up there, kids, or even a guest. If you know that you travel without kids, but you want to be able to have family members or friends or family, whatever, stay with you every so often, that's the perfect space, because that can be your office or play space, and then it turns into a sleeping space. So let's go outside and let's check out that big storage area down here. So this is not high, it's not tall whatsoever, but it goes all the way across, and there is actually a back door to where this area here is more storage. So if you come around back here, there's actually a door here to access that middle storage as well. So you do have the MorRyde Easy Power Reel over there, but this is nice. This is plenty of storage space. You can get totes that are big enough to fit here. You can easily put a MorRyde cargo slide out tray here. You can probably get one here and get one coming out the back end as well. But that is your main storage here. This does come with the Lippert, the road armors. You do have hydraulic leveling. You have your front bay storage up here as well. It does come with the Rhino box. This unit does come with slide toppers. Obviously, that's going to be an option whenever you buy any RV, whether or not you want that or not. So this here is going to be, I believe you can level with this right here. I like that it is, it's closed, not exposed to everything. So this right here, okay. So this bay right here, this is actually where your batteries are going to be. So we are going to go into that front storage because I just assumed the batteries were going to be there. So here is your wet bay. This I love, that the battery disconnect is over here. It's out of the way of the basement area. You do have, looks like, your main hot and cold shutoff valves right there. That is very nice. But you do have, looks like, your hydraulic leveling system right here. Space for your batteries right there. I mean, you can easily add some lithium batteries right there. So let's go check out that front bay. Okay, so there is actually some storage here under this front bay. You do have a lot of plumbing here that is exposed, but that's okay. You can definitely store some things up here. You could actually even make this your battery bank if you wanted to.